We're staying in the GF 1031 Southeast Madison cloud drawing, and I'm going to save this now to my AutoCAD Web and Mobile folders. So I go up to the Quick Access toolbar here, and I want to save to Web and Mobile. So if I click there, you'll see all the same folders again. There's the name of the file, and I'm just going to hit save and save the drawing in the root folder, the AutoCAD Web and Mobile folder. Click on save. It says there's one there already. So yes, I will replace it in this case. So that has now been replaced. You'll also notice that it changes at the top of the screen, the path of the drawing, and you'll get this little prompt about AutoCAD Web and AutoCAD Mobile popping up as well. Now, as I said, AutoCAD Web, AutoCAD Mobile, they are part of your AutoCAD subscription. So investigate them, see how they work, get them installed on your mobile devices so that you can start experimenting with them. So I'm now working on a drawing that is based in the cloud. This drawing is now saved in my AutoCAD Web and Mobile folders. So I'm now going to close it like so. And then I'm going to go up to Open here from AutoCAD Web and Mobile. And if I scroll down a bit, what we're looking for is our ground floor, remember? So there's our ground floor 1031 Southeast Madison cloud.dwg. There's today's date, the time I saved it, and the size of the file. I'll select it, open it. That opens it up in AutoCAD, and I'm now working on my cloud-based drawing. It's that quick and easy. But you'll notice, can you see it goes to lowercase in the File tab and in the name of the file at the top of the screen on the title bar? Don't know why it does that, but it just does now. It's one of those things. But you can see how quick and easy it is. But the benefit you have now is because this file is in the cloud, you can perhaps go and work on it in AutoCAD Web or AutoCAD on mobile. And in the next video, we're going to take a look at AutoCAD Web, and we're going to open this file up and go and locate it and see what it looks like in AutoCAD in a browser.